Today, I'm going to show you a really fun little project, a wall clock built with HTML, CSS, and Python using Flask. As you can see, the project is already running on my screen, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how it works, but also learn how to deploy it online so the whole world can access it. Let's dive right in. So let's start with the basics. First, we have our style.css file, which is handling all the styling of our clock. Here we're setting up the background, the circular clock face, and of course the hands of the clock, the hour, minute, and second hands. There's also a little center dot to make it look realistic. Nothing too complicated here. It's just pure styling to make the clock look nice. Next, we have our index.html file. This is the actual structure of the clock. We've got a container, the hands, and that central dot. Inside the script section, there's some JavaScript that updates the position of the clock hands every second so that it actually works like a real clock. Pretty cool, right? Now, before we talk about the Python part, we need to make sure Flask is installed. Flask is a lightweight web framework for Python that allows us to run this project as a web app. To install it, you just need a simple pip command, which you'll see on your screen. Once Flask is installed, let's look at our app.py file. This is a very minimal Flask app. We import Flask, set up a single route, and render our index.html file when we visit the site. That's literally it. Super simple, but enough to bring everything together. Okay, let's test it out. I'm going to run the app now, and then open my browser to the local Flask address. And there it is. Our working wall clock is live in the browser, nice and clean. So at this point, congratulations, you've officially built the project. But we're not stopping here. Let's move on to the really exciting part, deployment. We want to put this project on the internet so that anyone can open it anywhere. To do that, we need two extra files. The first is the requirements.txt file, where we simply list the dependencies, in this case Flask. This tells the deployment platform what packages to install. The second is the vercel.json file, which is basically a configuration file that tells Vercel how to handle our Python app. Both are really quick to create, and you'll see them on screen. Once those files are ready, we're going to push the whole project to GitHub. After that, we'll head over to Vercel. If you don't know, Vercel is a fantastic platform that makes deploying apps incredibly easy. After signing in, you simply connect your GitHub repository, select your project, and hit Deploy. That's it. In just a few moments, Vercel will finish building your project, and from the dashboard, you'll get a live link to your site. And here's the best part. This link is public. That means anyone in the world can now visit your wall clock and see it running online. How cool is that? So there you have it. We built a simple wall clock using Flask and deployed it to the internet with Vercel. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, join the community, and support us so we can keep making more awesome content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.